Oh, welcome, Wolfettes. Today I've got a bit of a special video to share with you all. Now, on my birthday last year, my fiance decided to get me probably one of the bestest presents I've ever received, but at the same time, it wasn't really a present for me at all. Now, that may sound confusing, so allow me to explain. Now, there is a wildlife park very close to where I live in Kent. Now, I live in Essex, the wildlife park is in Kent. I think it's about an hour's drive away. So what my fiance has done, inside this wildlife park, there are two European grey wolves named Kago and Nushka. Well, my fiance has adopted these two wolves in my name. Now, what that means is, every single month, the wildlife park will receive £10 from me and my fiance, and it will go towards looking after these two European grey wolves. And in return, we get this cool little certificate, which I can't show you properly because it's got some of my details on it, which you don't want to put those on the internet because that is a bad idea. But yeah, I get this cool little certificate. That's the wolves right there, Kago and Nushka. And also we receive 2 lifetime passes as long as we keep up with the adoption. So we have to keep paying £10 a month to keep access to our lifetime passes, you know. So you do have to keep paying to keep going in. But with these lifetime passes, we can enter the park for free. Now, to enter this park for 2 people, it is normally £40. And we can enter as many times as we want for free, and we only have to pay £120 a year. So if we enter the park 3 times, we've already got our money's worth. Obviously, that's not why we're doing it to help the wolves, but at the same time, you do get a very good deal out of it. So I'm going to leave the name of the wildlife park in the title of this video because I'm probably going to pronounce it wrong, so I'll just leave it in the video title and in the description. So if you decide that you want to visit this wildlife park, it's probably better that you just adopt a animal and pay them £10 a month because you're going to get a better deal, and at the same time you're going to help out a bunch of animals. But yeah, I thought what would be a good idea would be to go to the wildlife park and just make sure that they are actually looking after these 2 wolves, you know, because you don't want to donate money, visit the place, and then you notice that they're not even looking after the animals that you're adopting. So yeah, what we're going to do now is we are going to head over to the wildlife park and we're going to check out these wolves and make sure they're being looked after, and at the same time check out a bunch of other cute animals as well. So yeah, enjoy Wolf and Wolfettes, and I will see you after the video. Where are they now? Daddy's here. Nushka! Come on! Come on! Come on! I know you're looking at me, come on! Come on! Damn it. Hello? 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 Finally! Finally! Hello? Hey! 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 Hello? Hello? Hey. Hello? Okay, we're done. That's better. What? What do you want? Why are you looking there? What? What do you want? What do you want, eh? Hello, how you doing? That's it. Hey, come on. Oh, you good girl, boy. Good girl. That's it. Yes. And there we go, Wolf and Wolfettes. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I tell ya, it took me about 20 to 30 minutes to finally get Kago and Nushka to come over. They were laying on that log for about 20 minutes and all I could do was either call their names, and they did look at me, as you will see in the video. They did look at me a few times, but they just did not care. I started talking to them like they were a dog. I tried howling. I did everything I could to get them to come over. But for about 20 minutes, they just straight up ignored me. It was only when I was slowly close to giving up that they finally ran over and allowed me to get a couple of nice shots. So yeah, hopefully you guys and girls enjoyed this video. Hopefully you thought Kago and Nushka were cute. I thought they were very, very cute. I just wanted to get in there and try and stroke them. I have emailed the park and I'm going to see if maybe I can return there in the future and maybe like get some up close touchiness with the wolves, you know, or at least go into the enclosure and get some nice recordings, you know. So if they respond to me, I'll let you guys and girls know, obviously, but I can't promise anything because they are still technically a dangerous animal, you know, so they might not let me, but we'll have to see. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I apologise about some of the shots I got. I know that quite a few of the shots were really blurry because I had to record through glass, you know, and the glass was all smeared because the animals were like touching it and clawing at it. Then you had like lots of dirty kids touching it with their grimy hands, you know, so a lot of the shots were a bit smeared and stuff, you know. And also I had to record through a fence several times and that kept messing up my autofocus. So yeah, if some of the shots in this video are a bit rubbish, I do apologise. But I think I did all right. I haven't looked at the footage yet, so they could be awful. But yeah, thanks for watching, Wolf and Wolfettes. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you want to visit this animal park, this wildlife park, and you want to go there regularly, make sure you adopt an animal because it is a better deal for you and at the same time you're helping out an animal, you know, and that's what you want to do. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like, share and join the pack today.